Hello, you're looking at a 2000 GMC Sierra 3500 boom truck. This is a very heavy-duty truck. It has 19.5-inch tires, commercial tires. It has pretty low mileage for a 2000. It just has just over 104,000. Starts right up. Sounds good. Radio works, and it's nice. It's a nice running truck. Everything seems to work. The motor is a 7.4 liter General Motors V8. It sounds good. It's got a brand new battery. Also noticed here has a Jasper transmission. This was a fleet maintained truck, and they don't fool around. They don't rebuild them. They just put a Jasper right in, so it's faster, which is the most expensive way to do it, but it's also the best way to do it. Now on the boom, we were not able to get the boom to work. There are some pieces missing there. Overall, we found that it's a wiring issue. You got to rewire the inverter to get it to work. But it looks like everything is there except for the bucket. But it is going to be an as-is condition. If you're in the electrical business or you're pretty handy with that stuff, you know, you can save yourself a lot of money buying one in that condition. The shelves are good. Not a lot of rust in the truck. The bed has surface rust, and the same with the bumper, but you're going to get that with any 2000. All the 6 tires are good. Let's see if it shows the length. Everyone always asks what the length is on this. I don't believe it says. It says it holds 350 pounds. I believe it's 35 feet. That's what I believe what it is, but I'm not sure of that, and it doesn't say, though it does say platform height 29 feet. There we go, 350 pounds, 29 feet. Oh, that answers that. Put on my seatbelt here and we'll go for a quick ride. This truck does run well. It is a no reserve auction, so that means the top bidder will own it. So don't bid on it at any number unless you're able to finish the transaction. As we do sell them no reserves, that means again they will get sold. If you're coming from out of town, which we pick up people from out of town all the time, we're about 20 miles north of Baltimore, Maryland, and Bel Air, and we will pick you up at the BWI, Baltimore Washington International Airport, or the bus station or train station, or some people have been taking the Megabus lately, which is a very reasonable way to get around. See, all the gauges are good. It gets right up to 55, no problem. 60. And goes through all the gears. So if you're looking for a reasonable boom truck at a reasonable price, buy this GMC.